Hello, my name's Krish. I work for Haymar Company Limited. I'm the International Account Manager. Welcome to today's product spotlight. Today we are going to talk about the Klauke K30 slant 4K, which is this tool here. This is for crimping. So this tool will revolutionize the way that you work and will increase productivity levels for you. So whether you are a professional or a student, this tool will become your ultimate companion. This tool has a 1 square crimping profile for cross sections from 0.08mm squared to 16mm squared, thanks to automatic cross section adjustment. This crimping tool has a ratchet for consistently controlled crimp results, a lateral insertion side crimping, has a positioner for small cable end sleeves. The handles have a slip guard and inscription panel as well. So thank you for joining us today for this product spotlight on the Klauke K30 Slant 4K tool. This tool will, as I said before, revolutionize the way that you work. If you would like any more information on this item, please do feel free to contact one of our staff members here at Haymar. We'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for joining us. You have a productive day.